size, we've been able to expand really fast, but sometimes our infrastructure can't keep up. So we've run into one problem.
We certainly have.
What is that problem?
Well, I'm afraid to say it's gotten quite hot.
Quite hot? How hot?
Really hot, Justin. Folks, how hot has it gotten?
Really hot!
Anything you could give, whether it's $5, $10, $20, or $50, goes a long way towards keeping this community art space comfortable in any kind of weather.
All right, we're rolling. Okay, yeah.
So Ian.
Oh no, I wasn't serious about that. Okay, all right, we're rolling.
Go. So Justin,
So Ian.
how can these guys out there help us to get a new air conditioner for Vaudeville Park?
Well, you guys at home can stop by Indiegogo.com, where we're giving away all sorts of free stuff for your donation. Free CDs, free concert tickets, free limited edition prints. So please stop by, because Vaudeville Park needs you to keep cool.